Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see parameter to enable parenthesis bracket option in key input. Switch to edit mode. Press program button. Press OPRT soft key. Press right arrow soft key. Press key input soft key. We couldn't find parentheses bracket. Switch to MDI mode. Press offset button. Press settings soft key. Input 1 in parameter right. Press system button. Type 13115. Then press number search soft key. Input 1 in SI2. Press program button. Switch to edit mode. Press OPRT soft key. Press right arrow soft key. Press key input soft key. Now you can see that the parentheses bracket option got enabled. Thank you for watching the video.